Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can take screenshot in Excel sheet. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Microsoft Excel application on my computer with Windows, and I'm going to show you how we can take screenshot in Excel sheet. If we want to take screenshot, we can use snipping tool application in our Windows. If you don't have the snipping tool application on your Windows, you can install the application first. So this is the application we're going to use to take screenshot, and you can select this camera icon, then select new, and you can select the part you want to take the screenshot of. For example, I'm just going to take screenshot of this part like this, and now this screenshot has been taken, and these screenshots are automatically saved to our screenshots folder. Okay, that's easy, right? And then the second one, you can also use the copy and paste feature to take screenshot. For example, you want to add the screenshot of the Excel sheet to your Microsoft Word. So you just need to select the data like this, and then you can right click, select copy, and then you can go to the Microsoft Word, and you just need to paste it like this and click on picture. So the table will be pasted as picture on your Microsoft Word. Okay guys, and that's how we can take screenshot in Excel sheet. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.